Hello, welcome to Curious Developers. In this tutorial, we will talk about a problem how to reverse a string in Python. Here I am using two methods. First one is using for loop. Firstly, define a function. Here I started by declaring the ref function and passing the string argument, and in the function was declared an empty string variable restr that will store the reverse string. For x in a string, here we use the for loop to iterate all the characters of the input string to concatenate each element stored in the restr variable. And also, once the for loop is completed, execution it returns the reverse string to the caller function. String reverse their function string. Here you see output. Now I come to second method using a slice operator. Just come to slice. Firstly, I tell you a slice operator accepts three arguments: start, stop, and step. In this case, we will not provide a start and stop. So the default variable values will be considered as start equal to 0 and stop equal to n minus 1. Now comes to program. Here, slicing the input string by moving in a back from the end to the beginning of the string, and we also declare the where function and pass the string argument to it. And also inside the function body, we will use a slice operator to print the reverse of a string colon minus 1 means that the slicing will start from the end of the string with one step back each time. Here you see in this output. Okay, thank you so much.